TheVerge.com always surprises me with their stupid articles. I just read one about someone on there complaining about Microsoft Edge, comparing it to adware. That's ridiculous. The reasoning behind it is because it's pushing it down our throats, quote, with a forced update. It immediately launched itself, tried to convince her or him. I did not bother to read the name. Of course it's going to try to convince you. It is its browser. After all, when you get an iPhone or Mac, it's going to have Safari installed out of the box. If you get Android or a Chrome OS laptop, it's going to have Google Chrome out of the box. It is not a dirty business tactic like they are saying. Of course it's going to tell you that it is the best internet browser for Windows 10. At least the article said it was, replacing the old Microsoft Edge, which was the only respectable and completely true fact. Instead of all this whining, they should try educating the reader, explaining what's happening, why they cannot delete it, or telling them that they can delete it with a third-party application. Ever since they uploaded that video on building a PC, and it was very fun, I lost respect for this website. This was Mr. TikTok. Until next time, if you liked our video, leave a like.